How's it going, my friends? Happy Saturday. I'm glad you could stop by. So I thought I would take a minute to show you why you need some lightweight, small, folding, portable solar panels. So here's the 100-watt version from Renogy. I'm getting the wheel shot in here just so you can see just how small these things are. And there's the lead wire coming out of the pouch that goes into the wire going into the charge controller. Now let me show you that. Okay, so there they are on top of the roof. Can't really see them, can you? Yeah, that's the whole idea. Let me give you a shot. There you go. Alright, now let me show you where the lead wire goes. Okay, so here's the lead coming out of the panels. You just connect them red to red, black to black. Now let me follow on down the trail of the wire and show you how it goes into the charge controller. So what I do is I tuck the lead wire back under the panel where the MC4 connectors are, and I've wrapped some Gorilla Tape around here because it's very thin. Look how tiny thin that is. And you've got this rubber seal here and here, so you can actually shut the door. And you can close it and it damages nothing. Okay, next step. Okay, so the lead wire comes on down from the panel, comes in here, which I have it tucked behind this cabinet, and it goes into the charge controller. And the charge controller gives you a readout of the temperature and the voltage, and it shows you the panel and the arrow and the battery charge. 12.8 volts. Now on this particular controller, see it said 37%? Here's the weird thing. I talked with Renogy about this. When you first plug this up, it drops down to like 30 or 40%. And then after about 5 or 10 minutes, it gives you an accurate reading. See, it's already up to 40. So it takes it a minute for it to calculate the percentage of the charge of your battery. Now I'll step out and give you one more shot from the top. So yeah, I just lay it out for a couple hours about once a week, and it tops the batteries off, and it's been a really good system for me. So there's all my Reflectix and my new cooler. So I'm house sitting again. I'm here for another week, and then I take a week off of work and I go back and see my father and my brother down in Georgia. So alright guys, I hope this little demonstrative style video gives you an idea of what to expect from the solar panels. Take care, be well, smash the bell. Bye guys.